This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Tuesday, April 15th. Let's jump right into today's session. I did want to do a little bit of housekeeping before we jump into breadth numbers. Today is tax day in the US, where everyone needs to file their income taxes. Some people owe, some people get a refund. But in honor of this day and tax day, I wanted to provide a promotion of sorts that ends on Friday at April 18th, midnight. And this is just a reminder, if you are filing taxes today and you have yet to do so, any paid learning newsletter that you paid for last year in 2024, you should talk to your accountant, but typically you are able to deduct those from your income as a learning expense, basically making those paid subscriptions almost free. Obviously, I'm not a tax accountant, so you should check with that first, but I'm just letting you all know I myself deduct my education costs, and paid newsletters are education costs. So with that, the link is in the show notes for that discount, so check that out. Let's jump into the breadth numbers, but I did want to let you all know I'm recording this at 3:58, 2 minutes to the close, and there's a sell-off. Today, basically, if I had to summarize the day, Wall Street sold every bounce, every opportunity to sell. Looking at breadth, we had 92 highs on the NYSE versus 120 new lows. 53% were advancing versus 44% declining. 84% below the 50-day moving averages, and 80% were below its 200-day moving averages. It was a mixed bag, not much action up or down, but you did have the majority of the Mag 7 finish or close to the finish in the red. With 1 minute to go, you had Microsoft down 0.75%, Amazon down 1.6%, Google down 2%, Meta down 2%, Apple was up 0.06%, and Nvidia was up 1.4%. Looking across sectors, it was a mixed bag here as well. Financials led the way, up 0.78%. Real estate was up 0.4%. Tech was up 0.4%, as was utilities. Energy was up 0.13%. To the downside, you had consumer cyclical down 0.75%. Healthcare down 0.6%. Consumer defensive down 0.47%. Industrials down 0.37%. And communication services down 0.3%. What else can I kind of pull here from today's pretty lackluster session? Looking at the the intraday action, I'll provide proof on the whack-a-mole action for paying subscribers, but I just wanted to let you all know, anecdotally, I keep seeing all of these headlines saying there is no recession. Even at the base case, there's no recession. All the investment banks and Wall Street sees no recession. That just tells me we are already in one. And I'll share with you in the show notes for paid subscribers, but for free members, if you look at any intraday chart, most of them will show in a 5-minute time frame that it took multiple 5-minute bars to go up. And then all of a sudden, like 4 times today in one 5-minute candle, prices got knocked down.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not your advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.